Okay, now is the second type of question. Let's zoom in on the question itself. It seems that we are also still doing solving for logarithmic equation, but this time round, notice there's a log term on the left side, there's a log term on the right side. Both are LG, meaning it's log to base 10. However, there is a number on the right side as well. So we do not have log terms across all. So there is a trick that you can adopt. So take note, what we want to do is we balance all our log terms to the left-hand side. Then, on the right-hand side, we only have a number. Alright, so this is the trick, or rather, this will be the approach that I'm dealing with. So very simple, let me push all the log terms to the left-hand side. Okay, so on my left-hand side, I have balanced all the log terms. On my right-hand side, there is only left with a number. But take note, okay, not only are we supposed to check for the base, yes, it's correct, it's all to base 10, but before I want to combine all the log terms into a single log term. So this time round, I want to combine all my log terms into a single log term. In order to do that, I must ensure the coefficient of my log term is equal to 1. But there is a number 2 in front of log x. Remember, I can make use of the power law. Alright, so this constant in front of my log term, I can bring it up as a power, which is what I'm going to do now. Okay, I'm going to bring my constant 2 up as a power to ensure my logarithm is of coefficient 1 before I combine them into a single log term. So now we have subtraction of 2 log terms with base 10. I can make use of the quotient law, as you can see on the right hand side on my screen. Combine them into a single logarithm. Okay, remember, alright, our main term is the term inside the bracket. I would like to change it to index form now. So if I want to change it to index form, let me write my main term. My original base term down here is a 10. So this must be equal to 10 to the power of 1, which is just 10. Now I just need to do my normal algebraic solving. So again, you can use your zero product rule for factorization, or if not, you can just press the calculator to get the 2 answers. Remember to always check whether the 2 answers are all suitable by looking back into the original equation. Notice, if my x is equal to negative 10, I cannot log a negative 10. So for sure, I will need to reject the negative 10. But for x being 30, no matter how I substitute inside x or the 2x plus 30, both are going to be positive. So this answer is valid. So x equal to 30 is my only answer. So for part B, I'm going to do the same trick. Alright, remember to balance all the log terms to one side. And my number is stay on the right side. Check. The coefficient of all the log terms must be 1. And the base of the log terms are all base 4. So I can make use of the quotient law. Once I have a single log term on the left side and a number on the right side, I can change from logarithmic form to index form. Alright, take a look at what is the main term. Notice this is the main term. So I'll write the main term equal to the base term subtracted to the power. Okay, evaluate our 4 to the power of negative 3. Let us solve for our quadratic equation. Okay, after that, I'm going to make use of the calculator to press for solving of quadratic equation. Please estimate your answer to 3SF. Since there are 2 answers, remember, you will need to substitute back into the original equation. So check. You can put it into y square. Alright, so if you put it into y square, both will still be positive. I can log the value. And both values, when you add to 2, it will also be positive. So it means both answers are acceptable. So in this case, we will accept both answers. Please remember to underline both answers, and we are done for this part.